Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add HX color in Excel. If you have HX color code, then you need to highlight the cells and then go to the Home tab and click the drop down arrow next to the Fill color. And now click on the More Colors and click on the Custom tab. And here you will see that HX code box. You need to put the HX code in this box. For example, for red, HX code is F8696B and then click OK to proceed, and here it is. This is so simple. Again, go to the home, click on the bucket, click on the more colors, go to the customs and type the HX code of the yellow color FFEP84. Click OK, and here it is. So I hope you understand how you can add HX color in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.